of the matter is, and I'm just speaking from their perspective, fact of the matter is, they've made a lot of money on GameStop and a lot of these stocks.
Welcome back to another video, my Cheddar Chasers. What a time to be alive. The market that we are in right now this week is absolutely historic. I am recording this video. It is officially 8 o'clock and the after hours has just closed. AMC is up 64.5%, closing at $8.23 to finish off today's session. Now, before I continue any further, I do have to preface this video is for entertainment purposes only. And how entertaining it has been to see these stocks run up. Congratulations if you had a piece. If you've been in our Discord and if you've been in the Patreon, congratulations to all of you. We have called out AMC since it was $2. Now, we called it out based on technical analysis, and Rick Montreal, shout out to you, my friend. Let's look at the technical analysis very quickly. I'm not going to bore you guys with this too much, but this was called out on our Discord after it hit this major support level here at $2. It bounced here back in March of 2020. It bounced here in April. It bounced here again November 2020. And we said, hey, the first week of January, this is bouncing. Time to pick up shares. This is before the GameStop squeeze really even started taking place. Premiums at the $2.50 strike on AMC were trading at under 25 cents. Those are now going to be worth close to $6 or $7 if we're talking about current AMC prices. Now, the dummy that I am, I sold out of those AMC premiums.
Freaking idiot.
And I got back in earlier this week. Of course, we had a briefing and we said, guys, with GameStop running, what is the next logical play? Where is all the momentum headed? And of course, it was none other than AMC. AMC being the third highest short interest stock. Of course, we're not saying this is gonna run like GameStop to $200, but the run up on AMC was due, especially when you consider the perfect storm and catalysts that have been going on in this market with Wall Street bets and all the media and attention that these short squeeze plays have been gaining. Bed Bath & Beyond, another one that has been running ridiculously this month. And I remember some of you guys calling this out when I first released the January top stocks video. You guys were saying Bed Bath & Beyond is gonna run, and at the time it was only trading at $15, so shout out to you guys as well. Twitter, StockTwits, Discord channels around the world, Wall Street bets all losing their mind. Is AMC gonna be the next GameStop runner? Well, I think it has a lot of potential. Just take a look and open your eyes to what is happening in the markets right now. Standard investing and even trading principles are out the window.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You know, Tom, a lot of people who look at what's going on with Reddit and you know, sort of dismiss it or say this is just a passing fad, they say it's going to end badly. So from your perspective, how does this end?
Well, I think that in just broad numbers, I think $6 trillion could come into equities from households. You remember, households control $100 trillion of net worth in America. So there's a lot of money, but a lot of it's in cash. And they put $3 trillion over the last 10 years into bonds. You know, a big portion of that could come into stocks. But over the next 10 years, they're going to probably save another $3 trillion. And if the majority of that goes into stocks, that's $6 trillion. Mm-hmm. The stock market hasn't seen that kind of inflows probably in 50 years.
That is Tom Lee. He's a managing partner at Fundstrat, telling us his expectation that $6 trillion of retail money are going to flood the market into equities over the coming years. And that is a small piece of the $120 trillion that belongs to households in America. You've got to understand, all eyes are on the stock market right now. We are in such a perfect storm of a situation for this event to be happening. We've got this lockdown, everyone's at home. The internet did not exist to this extent before the year 2000. There's so much more supply of information, and that information is circulating and circulating so much faster and easier. And again, not just because the internet is now present, of course that is a big factor, but again, combine that with the fact that we are all locked up at home, taking in all of the media information, browsing Reddit days on end, watching YouTube videos like this one, and that is creating a FOMO effect. People want to make money. People are trying to figure out what to do with their extra stimulus money. Again, you know me, I always personally preach preservation of capital and risk management, but taking a chance on a small percentage of your portfolio, a small percentage of your net worth in an opportunity like this that we're in right now could yield massive, massive gains. And that is exactly what a lot of people are doing right now. Taking that risk and that leap of faith in the markets, playing the momentum. These absolute monster momentum plays, they disregard all investing principles, how they even disregard trading principles. And yes, again, disclaimer, I do have a position with call options in AMC. So before you ask, when am I selling? Well,
I'm not fucking leaving.
My position is small enough that I'm not losing sleep if that option premium goes to zero, and that is exactly how trading needs to be done. You need to have proper risk management set in place in order to not sweat individual trades. You could make 100 profitable trades and then lose big on one trade. And in order to prevent that from happening, discipline is key. Make sure that you always have proper sizing on all of your trades and compound that interest on a weekly basis. Okay, I'm going off on a bit of a risk management tangent here. That wasn't the point of this video. If you want to see AMC updates as this progresses, we're up 64% today after hours. Who knows how much further this has to go? Maybe that is the peak. Maybe we're gonna climb to 50. If you wanna keep up with those updates, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because we will be covering AMC at the market close every single day starting from today. We're also gonna be taking a look at what is happening with GameStop, and yes, we are gonna be sweating Ghost and his $250,000 position in GameStop, which again now is probably worth close to $500,000. So if that interests you and you wanna join the sweats, make sure that you join the Discord as well. It's completely free. The link is gonna be in the description below. And lastly, if you wanna support the channel or you wanna find out about the trades we are making in real time, make sure you check out the Patreon link, also in the description below. That is going to be it for this one, but make sure you come back to the channel tomorrow after the bell to see what is happening with AMC. Maybe we're going to be down, maybe we're going to be up. Either way, it will be covered. I'll see you on the next one. What is go? This is tight.